the Thackeray brothers came together and announced they would fight in the municipal corporation. Political experts opined this alliance could seriously challenge the Mahayuti in Mumbai. Meanwhile, best elections were announced. For the Thackeray brothers alliance, this is like a semi-final before the municipal elections, their first election together. Because of this, it became a matter of prestige. For the past 9 years, the Thackerays have maintained dominance over the Best Credit Society, and with both Thackerays together, it was expected results would go in their favor. But despite this, after voting, results turned out completely different. In this best election, the Thackeray brothers couldn't open their account, and the Mahayuti faced defeat. Shashank Rao's panel clinched victory. So, who is Shashank Rao, who swept aside both the Thackeray brothers and the Mahayuti? And what happened in this election? Let's find out through this for 21 seats of Best Credit Society 2025 to 2030 term. This election was held on 18th August with nearly 83% voting. Vote counting was done the very next day. The election was a three-way contest. That means the Utkarsh panel of Uddhav Thackeray and Raj Thackera's brothers stood against them, while the Mahayuti stood alone in opposition. That is, Praveen Darekar and Prasad Lad from BJP's Shramik Utkarsh Sabha, Minister Nitesh Rane's Samarth Best Kamgar Sanghatna, and Shinde's Shiv Sena's former MLA Kiran Pawaskar's Rashtriya Karmachari Sena all came together and collectively formed the Sahkar Samriddhi panel. In this election, former corporator Sunil Gancharia also had a panel from the BJP Workers' Union. There was a third major challenge against the Mahayuti and Thackeray. That was a panel of Labour leader Shashank Rao. This election became extremely close and a matter of prestige. While it was expected that the result would go either in favor of Thackeray or the Mahayuti, Shashank Rao's panel clinched the victory, shocking everyone. The Thackeray brothers Utkarsh panel did not win a single seat. The Mahayuti Sehkar panel, which had contested together, managed to win 7 seats, while Shashank Rao clinched victory on 14 seats. Because of this result, the Thackerays' hold over the Best Credit Society has been shaken. But now, the talk is all about the one who caused this upheaval, Shashank Rao. Even with the full might of both Thackerays and the powerful Mahayuti, Shashank Rao quietly and methodically planned his strategy and won. So, who exactly is Shashank Rao? Let's find out. Shashank Rao is the son of Labour Union leader Sharad Rao, and he is head of the Mumbai Auto Rickshaw Union and Best Workers Union in the city. 8 years ago, Shashank Rao entered the Labour Union movement, and right at the beginning of his career, he successfully led a major auto rickshaw union strike. Shashank Rao played an important role in the joint strikes of workers and employees from the Best, BMC, Hawkers, Auto and Taxi Drivers Unions. Not just that, Shashank Rao organized several agitations for the workers and played a key role in those movements as well. He is the head of the Mumbai Auto Rickshaw Union and the Best Workers Union in the city. He has always taken the initiative in resolving the issues faced by Best employees. Shashank Rao has also served as the Maharashtra State President of Janata Dal United. Before the Lok Sabha elections, he resigned from Janata Dal United and joined the BJP. Currently, he is active in the BJP and continues his work with the Labour Union. This can also be interpreted to mean that even though BJP could not directly contest Best Bank elections as part of Mahayuti, they put forward their own face in the form of Shashank Rao. Just like there were discussions that in municipal elections, Mahayuti would contest separately, each party fighting on its own, and BJP is planning its strategy, a glimpse of that could be seen today in Best elections.